I'm Jeremy. This is my wife Tonya and my daughter Anna. You're here in Monash in Canberra. The room's an unusual shape, and so I think that's sort of a little frustrating sometimes in trying to make it work.
Well, we have tried quite a few configurations in trying to make it a comfortable space with the couch here or the couch here or the TV over there. Just every time after a few months, it's just like, yeah, not working for us. The furniture is BT, which is before Tonya.
The sofa's a little bit lumpy, you get into it and can't get out of it.
One of the things we're really hoping for with the makeover, make it more flexible.
It really did feel like we'd walked into somebody else's amazing lounge room. Everything that we had was gone, and everything in the room was shiny and new and just looked amazing.
The first thing that I felt was very calm, and it was just so serene. My favourite thing about the room is the way the TV gets put away at the end of the night. When we want to watch it, we just swing it out and we're very comfortable on the couch. And then when we're not interested in watching anymore, we swing it back and it's as if it's not here. And it's not taking up so much space and it's not a focus.
IKEA really took the time to get to know us as a family and to understand what we wanted in a lounge room. And now we've got this great solution. We've got a great open space where we can come together as a family. It can be a lounge room that we can entertain in. The room's just so much more usable.
We also have a couple of chairs in the room, so when we have people over we can pull those in. I can't wait for my next book club. I think the girls are going to be really excited.
The storage is great. Tonya loves just to put things on top of things. So the more storage we have, the better. Now all of that sort of stuff can just be hidden out of sight and we can have a lounge that looks really nice.
It's great that my stuff isn't everywhere. Jeremy misses his rug.
So I feel like I've been stitched up. Love the new rug.